Okay, here's the Sony A6000 camera, and here's the problem. After I power it on, I get this. So basically I cannot see what is in front of the camera on the LCD. To fix that problem, here we have the display button, which is the top of this circle. So press that display and you can cycle through more displays. That's the fourth one, fifth one, and back. Okay, so to eliminate this problem, leave it, let's say, on this one or any other, let's say that one, and then power off the camera. Okay, now if I power it on again, now I can see what's in front of the camera. So just cycle it through those view options using the display button. Okay, if you don't want that many view types there, you can customize it by going to the menu, press the menu button. Okay, and let's go here to the second icon and the first page first. Okay, and here we have the disp button, display. Enter that one. You can customize it for the SD monitor, this one, and the viewfinder, which is this one. So let's customize it for the monitor first. Enter monitor. Okay, and here we have a preview also, so you can see what will display this one. If I go up, now it's showing a bar there, so whichever you want, keep that one and uncheck the rest. For example, let's uncheck this one because it's not letting us view through the screen. Select and unselect with the middle button. Histogram, that shows that little histogram in the corner. Let's say I don't want that one either, so uncheck it. No display, this one shows some info there at the bottom. I don't want that one either, I uncheck it. And let's say I want to use only this one, which displays many informations, but all of them are on the side. So this one has on the bottom, this one on the side. Okay, and I don't want that one. So basically I left only this one. Okay, so let's accept it with that enter. And now by using the display button, notice since I have only one display option enabled, it's not changing anything. Okay, after you get closer to that viewfinder, you can see the same thing almost there in that screen also. If it's not switching between them, then come here to the menu and second icon, and this time third page. On the third page we have Finder Monitor. Enter that one and set it to auto. For example, if it was on monitor, then you can get closer to the display, but it will not do anything. So set it to auto. Okay, and then come back to the first page, and here at display, this time let's go to Finder, this one, the viewfinder. Enter that one, and here the same thing. If you want, you can leave all of them enabled or uncheck the ones that you don't like. So let's just try it and let's see what we have here. So currently all of them are enabled. I'm pressing the same button, the display button, and let's cycle through all of them. So here we have less options. There's the second, third, fourth, and that's it. So we don't have that large black screen which was the fifth. Okay, so these are the options for the viewfinder, and I don't really use the viewfinder at all, so I can even disable that one. I'm using only the monitor, and now it's not turning it on or off whenever something is close. And we can use this display button when previewing photos or videos also. So press the preview button. Okay, and I just captured that picture. Let's capture another one. Okay, so preview button. Here's the hand, and here you can also use the display button to cycle through these options. Okay, so that's the display button on the Sony A6000 camera. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.